So you want to make money selling solo ads, but you don't have a list? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in today's video, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about how to make money selling solo ads with no list. All right, but before we get started today, I want to welcome all those that are new to my channel. My name is Zeb Summers. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. I talk everything online entrepreneurship. All right. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you feel this content is of some value, and hit that notification bell down there if you want to get notified for my daily videos that I put out just like this every single day. If you have any comments, post them below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, post it below and I will reply. Again, if you do happen to subscribe, let me know you subscribed and I will reply down below. All right, guys, so let's get started with today's video. I don't want to waste no more of your time. How to make money selling solo ads with no list. All right, guys, so you're probably thinking, Zeb, how in the hell are you talking to sell solo ads with no list? Well, guys, I learned this new trick a while back, and you can make money selling solo ads by using arbitrage. All right, so we're talking about arbitraging solo ads. All right, so I'm going to show you just how you can do that. And while you're doing it, you can also be building your email list. All right, you can do this two different ways. You can do it, how about you want to build your email list, or you want to make a couple extra bucks. All right, so you can do this two ways, and this can help you build your email list without spending any money. All right, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. All right, so this isn't we're not going to get rich doing this, but we can make some money and we can start building our list today. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to run over here to Udemy, and I've talked about Udemy already a few different times. Udemy is where I go to buy most of my solos. I do buy it from other people online, and I have a few people that I buy from over and over, but we're not talking about that in today's video. I'm going to show you how to use arbitrage to make money or build your list with no money. All right, so the first thing we want to do is take a look and see who's actually selling on Udemy, and you can do this. All right, we're going to be a new user. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to find sellers, and we're going to say 0 ratings, 0 sales. We're going to say maybe 40 cents. We're going to say 35 to 40 cents, 24 hours. This is going to show you kind of like who's new here. All right, so just for instance, this guy is really new. These guys are new because they have 0. All right, so this is what we're going to be. We're going to be new sellers. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go through different sellers accounts, not necessarily the newbies, but you want to go through these sellers accounts and you want to try to pick out some decent, like maybe this guy. He's only sold 18 orders and he's got some little decent, just look how his page is set up. All right, so what we want to do is we want to mimic somebody that's actually got a page and is selling traffic. All right, because our goal here is to build a list so eventually we can sell some traffic. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to become a seller. All right, and if you go over here to settings, seller setup, seller mode, this is going to ask you for your phone number. You go through the list, you set up your seller account. All right, I'm not selling solo ads myself. I found this trick and I want to share it with you guys. So you're going to fill in your phone number here, and then after you fill in your phone number, you're going to enter some basic info about yourself. And it's basically this info here. All right, so it's basically going to ask you this type of info: your name, where you're from, uh, a little about yourself, and what type of traffic you're running. So just fill out the basic stuff and get it started. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is you're going to start selling, and you want to set it to 35 cents because you're new, you don't have no reviews, you don't have nothing. All right, so you want to do that first. All right, so maybe we could start it at 45 cents, but you want to start it low. So you don't want to go no higher than 45 cents. All right, so the next thing you want to do is come over here to Solo Ads Testimonials on Facebook. All right, so this is two different places where we're going. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come here and we're going to start looking for people selling solo ads. And what we're doing is we're looking for somebody that sells them for 35 to 40 cents, where we can sell them an extra 5 cents per click or 10 cents per click on Udemy. All right, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to find somebody that's selling clicks for rather cheap. And once we find that person, we're going to reach out to them. And what we're going to do is once we reach out to them, we're going to ask them if they will negotiate a price with us if we are here willing to spend money on the long term. All right, so we're going to ask them to spend that, to give us, if they're selling them for 38 cents, we're going to see if we can get them for 32 cents. All right, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to try to get them for 32 cents and sell them for 40 cents. All right, so we're going to arbitrage our solo ads, and this is to get extra money or to build our list with $0. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go, once we reach out, once we get a rate from somebody, we're going to go back over to Udemy and we're going to sell them at that rate. All right, so one way we can do that is you can go over here to find sellers, or you can go to solo deals and you can promote, right? So you can create a solo deal and you turn on, I'm not going to do that right now, but you create a solo deal, and once you create the solo deal, you'll be in this promoted box, right? So maybe you could do it for, you know, this guy's got 18 orders, 35 cents. So you might be able to even reach out to somebody on here, but I would reach out to somebody on Facebook and then come over here and try to arbitrage what you got for an extra 5 cents more, right? So what you're trying to do is you're trying to sell a couple hundred at a time. So you'll get your order on here and then you'll order them from him. All right, so you'll constantly start getting a little system going where you're arbitraging solo ads. And guys, this is not something I do. All right, so this is something I found other people doing, and I figured it was a way to share something with you guys to help build lists and to make a couple dollars. I'm not here to help you make a whole bunch of money doing this. I'm here just to share this information with you so you can actually go out and build a list and start emailing your list. All right, so at the end of the day, what this is about is hopefully you can build your list a couple hundred at a time while you're selling somebody else's email list on this site. All right, so for instance, look at this. She's only got 16 sales, 44 cents, right? This is what you want. You want to start at like 45 cents, 44 cents, and you want to say 10% over delivery, because everybody will give you 10% over delivery. And you're hoping that somebody will order 1,000 from you. And then you're going to run over here where you made a deal with somebody at like 35 cents, 32 cents, right? That will sell you traffic at a constant rhythm, right? And you're going to keep going back to that person until you get some ratings over here. All right, so it's going to be a slow process at first. All right, and you're going to get a few ratings. All right, you're going to get a few ratings, and you can even do the same thing over here, right? So once you start getting some money, then you can start buying traffic. And you can see here, right? There's people in here that are selling traffic, that are buying traffic from each other also. So you'll see new people come in, and people will buy traffic from them. So you'll start seeing that stuff. But what you want to do is you want to go over to like here, find somebody that's selling good traffic. You can search on this page, just find somebody that's selling decent traffic at a decent rate, and then negotiate a term with them where they'll actually sell you some cheaper clicks where you'll just keep coming back. All right. So maybe you set up a deal with them, say, look, I'll buy X amount of clicks from you every 7 days. And if I don't do that, then just cut me off. All right. So most people will do that. Most people will negotiate. This is entrepreneurship. This is business. And negotiating is part of being an entrepreneur. All right. So we got to go out here and negotiate, find somebody that's going to give us a deal. They will. All right. So find somebody to give us a deal for like 32 cents a click or something. And if you already have some money, then you don't have to make that. You'll have a couple $100 in your pocket where you can buy those clicks ahead of time and then sell them on Udemy. All right. So guys, this is just something that it'll help you build your list. And you can see here, she sold 16, she's got 16 likes and 1 dislike. All right. She sold 23 solos in the last couple days. This is what she sold since October 25th. So you can see people come in, they'll buy from newbies. All right. They'll buy from newbies, and then you'll start getting your ticks up, and then you'll start getting regular customers, and at the same time your list is going to start building, right? So at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is build your list so eventually you can sell solo ads yourself. All right. So this is just a trick I found, I came across online. I seen other people doing it, and I was like, wow, I could share that with my audience, because I know there's people out there trying to either build their list or they're trying to make money online with solo ads. And this is a good arbitrage way of doing it. All right. So I don't personally do this again, like I said, but I know there's people out there doing it, and it is a way to make money on the side or build your list with little or a little extra money. All right. So little or no money. So you don't even have to spend any money to build your list. You could start building your list with $0, but if you have a couple dollars, it'll help build it faster. All right. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this. I know it's kind of quirky, but it will work. And you just had to start using your brains, guys, and you'll start making some money off of doing things like this, right? I've already shown you how to arbitrage on Facebook with using Fiverr and local businesses. Guys, there's ways to make money, so many different ways. All right. So just get out there and do it. Just take some action. If you want to get into solo ads, but you have no list and you're trying to get in there and you have a little bit of money, try this out. See if it works. If it doesn't, oh well. If it does, then you're going to become a solo ad provider. All right. So guys, I hope you liked this video. And if anything, run over to Udemy and buy some clicks. All right. I use Udemy all the time. I have a link in the description for Udemy. You can sign up for your free account. You'll get $5 off towards your first purchase. And the link, like I said, is down below. Guys, again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, post them below and I will reply. Again, peace out. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the next video.